Every drop of milk begins its journey long before it reaches the factory. Careful animal management keeps production steady and efficient. Environmental control supports both comfort and productivity. Daily inspections maintain efficient and health operations. Animal health remains closely connected to product quality.
Clean water is essential throughout the production cycle.
Consistent feeding schedules help maintain reliable milk yields. Balanced nutrition supports healthy animals and stable production. Inside the parlor, technology and routine work together. The harvesting process captures milk efficiently and consistently. The harvested milk begins its carefully controlled journey. Efficient logistics connect farms to modern production facilities. Every incoming load follows strict entry procedures. The delivery reaches its first processing checkpoint. Preparation ensures safe transportation ahead. From farm to factory, the next stage of the journey begins. The factory journey begins at the intake station.
Every shipment enters under careful supervision.
Immediate cooling preserves freshness and quality. The factory is designed for efficiency and control. The transformation process is about to begin. The first step removes anything that does not belong. Filtration protects the quality of everything that follows. Stored milk now prepares for its first processing stage.
Testing confirms the integrity of every delivery.
Strict hygiene controls govern every movement inside. Data determines whether production can proceed. Once approved, the milk moves deeper into the facility. Powerful systems keep product moving continuously. Storage capacity supports uninterrupted production. Temporary storage keeps production moving without interruption. The flow of product is carefully directed at every junction. Buffer systems help maintain production efficiency.
Behind every process stands a network of supporting systems.
A single network directs product across the entire operation. Separation technology refines the milk stream.
The composition of milk is carefully balanced. Further refinement improves purity and consistency.
Consistency is essential for every batch produced. Composition is adjusted to meet product standards. Uniformity ensures predictable processing performance. A central network coordinates every operation.
The cleaned milk moves deeper into the factory.
Pasteurization protects the product while preserving its value. Controlled retention ensures complete thermal treatment.
Rapid cooling preserves freshness after treatment. Verification ensures every batch meets strict standards.
The next stage improves texture and consistency.
Pressure transforms the structure of the milk.
Flow stabilization prepares the product for continuous production. Automation keeps thousands of variables in balance.
Quality checks continue throughout production.
The processed milk advances toward its next evolution. The processed milk now enters the heart of production. Final adjustments prepare the product for large-scale automation.
Thermal processing begins with precise temperature control.
Now the real transformation begins.
Every degree is carefully managed for safety and quality. The foundation is complete, and transformation now takes center stage.
Uniform blending ensures consistency in every batch. Constant verification prevents deviations before they occur. Precision control maintains product uniformity. Temperature control remains critical throughout production. Each stage is verified before production advances. Human oversight remains essential in an automated environment.
Final preparation begins before the products leave the factory.
Thousands of automated actions are coordinated from one location.
Weight verification confirms product accuracy.
Orderly movement supports efficient downstream handling. Protective packaging strengthens every shipment.
Heat transforms loose wrapping into secure packaging. Protective wrapping safeguards products during distribution. Before release,
one final examination remains. One final review ensures shipment readiness.
Microbiological verification protects consumer safety.
Automation increases both speed and reliability.
Every result is checked against strict standards.
Long-term stability is part of every quality program.
Every package can be traced through its entire journey. Quality extends beyond the product itself.
Multiple layers of verification lead to a final decision.
The products are now cleared for distribution.
Approval activates the next stage of the supply chain. Verified products continue toward final distribution. Production is complete, but distribution has only just begun. Inventory control keeps products moving efficiently.
Demand determines which products move next.
Selected products begin their final journey.
Accurate preparation prevents delays downstream.
With approval complete, distribution can begin.
Every department contributes to a seamless supply chain.
And this is how modern factories produce milk from start to finish.